blowing stuff on your car.
Oh, it smells so bad. Dude, you can't put any gas to it.
I would say this thing, honestly, this thing for being stored for the last, I mean, I don't know how many years. This thing was the original owner, stored its whole life essentially. It's got 53,000 miles. To be pulled out, started, and run this good is seriously impressive. It needs the gas. This gas is 20 years old, but it's still running.
See what this baby can do.
First, Cody was like, lift, and then all of a sudden, I'm like, what is he doing? All of a sudden, he stood up with that thing. I'm in the car, and I feel it go, whoop, like the tire freeze spinning. I'm like, let's see you set her down now. This thing's not that far off of running perfectly fine.
No,
you could, I bet you if I put gas in this, I would drive this to California right now.
Yeah. It's got a nest.
It's pretty impressive. Unless the catalytic converter, like literally is plug, then you'd have a problem down the road.
It might be because it's puking out that rust. But
yeah, it's not bad.